It's a bad man tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So into this video, we're gonna be doing a first impression of this hair that you see that I'm wearing. If you can't tell, I love okay, calm down, Lee. I love the hair. Like especially the color and the curl pattern. I love it. So this is the Outre lace front in the style CYNDRA, and I got it in the color DRFF2 slash VIVCP. Whew, that's a mouthful. But here is the model on the start card. She's wearing the color that I have. I guess oh, this is pretty nice. So it is DRFF2 Vivid Copper. And these are all the colors you get with it, the special colors. And you can get it in your standard natural colors. And I got it from Wig Types. And the starting price is $29. But if you want like any of the special colors like this one, you have to pay $2. So all in all, I paid $39. And this is awesome. Like, I love it. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I don't know who in their right mind will want to put heat in his hair. If you do, you got a problem. I'm just gonna say that. But this is like, it comes with baby hair. I attempted to lay the baby hair down, which I failed because I'm not good with that. But it comes with your standard cap construction, two combs right up here, one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And I would say this is like big hair friendly because I have an average head and I have it strapped all the way back. Like I have it strapped. I have the hook strapped up at the very end, so it feels very snug on me. And I love the color. Like, look at this copper and this. I guess it and the face framing colors. Like these two are like orange-ish. Oh my gosh! And it has like the color too, and the dark color is all throughout. Like, do you see that? And the lace is like ear to ear. And one thing, the lace is really hard. Right up here, it is hard. You can bend. Like, do you see that? I'm bending it and it's staying right there. It's hard and it's ear to ear. It comes with baby hair, like I said, but I'm not good with that, so I didn't even try to lay my baby hair, and I'm still slaying it. And oh my, like, I'm okay. I'm getting tangling a little bit. Like the tangling is not bad, and I'm getting shedding. I'm definitely getting shedding. It's every time I run my hands through it, I get a few strands, and as you can see, my hands, my fingers are getting stuck a little bit, but I'll take that tangling and the shedding anytime because of the color. Oh man, Sandra, Outre, you did this. And this is the parting space. I didn't do anything to the parting space. I just put my powder on it and I cut it a day, and it's a eye part, so it is pretty long. I am 5'4", and this stops me almost to, well, it stops me at my body, but belly button. I don't know why I can't say that word, but I love Miss Sandra. Like, I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like. This is all the hair. You don't get a lot of hair. It's very It's not too thin. It's not too thick. Ooh, like, I know this is like it's winter time or whatever, but colors all year round, not just for summer. Okay, you can rock colors all year round. And oh, I cannot. What I don't know what to say about it. So far, so good. Like, CYNDRA, you're win in my book. Okay, it is a win-win chicken dinner. Oh my, I love it. So guys, let's discuss CYNDRA in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Alright, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Alright? Okay. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
It's a bad man thing.